Hi, so we're going to unpack one of Positive Posture's DualTech massage chairs. And this would be if you had to do this yourself, so it's so easy. We're going to include our favorite middle school helper here, and he's going to give me a hand. So we'll just start by breaking down the carton. So break down the material so we can take out the remote. Set that aside. Put the other accessories over here on the side when we need them. So the easiest way to move this off the platform, I think, would be to break the sides down on the platform base so you don't have an interference with the base. And then what we'll do is we're going to roll it backwards. So easiest way to do that is place your foot down here on the back of the chair. Grab the arms. If you want to help to stabilize it for me, we're just going to lift it up. There are nice rollers on this chair. We're just going to roll it back off the cardboard. Set it down safely. Let's move all this debris out of the way. The accessory box contains a few items that you'll need as you set up the remote holder, your documentation, and your cord for plugging it in. Reserve that. Let's move the box out of the way. So the chair comes with the foot actually attached, which makes it really nice. So you don't have to worry about attaching any extras on this, just final assembly. We're going to roll it over here to our location. So again, it's very convenient to lean it back.
Help him. Yep, there you go.
Okay, we can go ahead and lower the leg. There's a few packing materials we need to get out of the way. There's our nice remote. All right, for the remote. And it slips right into this position. Now it's in place. Bring up the remote cord. Snap it into place. Like that. And we have the power cord, which goes to the back. Typical deep plug. Put it into a power adapter, which we have located here. There's an on-off switch located next to the plug on the back. Verify that we have power. The remote has lit up, so it's ready to go. Let's give it a little test. Choose one of the programs. It's going to scan. Now you do get the nice extra padding in case somebody's tender or you need extra padding.
Yeah, it's good for people who are sensitive.
Yes.
And maybe the chair is a little too strong, then you put the extra pad there.
So you want to test it and make sure the chair is working. Test to make sure the air cells are inflating properly and the rollers are moving. If you have any questions, you can certainly give us a call here at Healing Touch Massage Chairs, and we'll be glad to walk you through it. Thank you.